Today is March 10, 2023. The mortgage rates are up, the prices are down, so everything all over the place. What's going on in the market? There is the question. My name is Elena Gordar, broker of record Remax Gordon Group Realty Brokerage. And I want to go with you through the stats so we can understand more what's going on the market and where we are heading. So for beginning, I want to go through the economic indicators. Real GDP growth is down at 0% now. Toronto employment growth is up and 0.3% now. Toronto unemployment rate is down, and January 2023 it was 6%. Inflation is down. In January 2023 it was 5.9%. Bank of Canada overnight rate in February 2023 it's 4.5%. But prime rate in the major banks for fixed mortgage in February 2023 was 6.7%. The variable rates are lower. Total residential transaction. We can see that we sold 40% less in February 2023 to compare to February 2022. Seasonal adjustments, we are okay for the normal seasonality. In February 2023, we sold 8.5% more to compare to January 2023. Next will be average price. The average selling price is minus 17.9%. It looks scary, but in reality, that was February 2022, what we comparing to. It was the hottest month and it had a higher selling price. So it went up by 27%. So we are still not bad. If you look at the seasonal adjustments, February 2023, we are minus 0.7% to compare to January 2023. I will say it almost didn't change selling price February to compare to January. New listing. So you can see that we have minus 40.9% less new listing coming to the market, and it shows that it's healthy market. Not everyone is selling, so people have equity in the houses, they are okay. If we look on the sales to new listing ratio, in February 2022 we had a 64%, and it shows the buyer market. In February 2023, we have 57% sales to new listing ratio, and it shows that we are on balanced market. So, and change it's 7%. So I will say it's not a big change to compare to last year. Days on the market, we are 200% up to compare to February 2022. Yes, last year it was very hot market and everything was selling right away. So now and we are in normal market, and normal market usually 30 days it's normal to sell the house, to sell the property, and more cheaper property, more well-priced properties, they're selling faster, they're more expensive properties. Listing days on the market, we have 22 days to compare 9 days in February 2022. I want to say that difference between listing days on the market and property days on the market. So listing days on the market, it's for particular listing how many days it was on the market. But sometimes the same property is listed twice or 3 times. They change the strategies, they change the price, and that will show the property days on the market. Now it's getting more interesting. I want to compare sales and average price by major home and types, because all of them perform differently. 416 area, 905 area, and all the different types of the property. Let's start from the sales. The champion for sales, it was detached properties in 905 area. We sold 1,593 properties. Next, Most popular was condo apartments in 416 area. We sold 952. We can see that is still very popular. Next it will be townhouse in 905 area, condo apartment in 905 area. Average price in 905 area for detached houses, it's 1,357,245. and 245. We can see that is for that price last year. People could buy semi-detached or townhouse, and now they can buy detached. Probably that's why it was the most popular purchase for February 2023. The most popular was sales in condo apartment 416 area, and average price is 728,271. Next slide, I want to compare year-to-year percentage change. Yes, it looks scary. Look, for detached house, in 905 area, the drop was minus 21.5, right? Semi-detached house, 25.9. So we can see that the prices went really down to compare to February 2022. Less change we can see in 416 area for condo apartments and townhouses. Now, yes, you can see it looks scary, that much drop in the price February 2023 to compare to February 2022. But if we look at the February 2022 price to compare to February 2021, we can see that, look, semi-detached houses were up by 28.9%. So now if we look at the price drop, minus 25.9% in this February, it doesn't look that scary. We still in surpluses, right? The biggest jump was for townhouses. It was 27.6%. Now we down 18%. So for the condo apartments in 416 area, we down 11.4%, but we were up by 17.4%. Saying that for most of the property types, we can see that we are still in historical rate of increase 4 to 6%. That shows we had it up and down, but in reality we still in the normal increase 4 to 6%, saying that despite the high mortgage rate, and we still doing well. To summarize everything, I want to say that from these numbers we can see there is nothing to panic about the real estate market. Yes, the prices went down. Yes, the mortgage rate came up, but in reality the prices jump so high before, so we still in surplus and we still selling well. We don't have so many houses coming to the market. Inventory is still staying tight, and being on the market with my clients, with my buyers and sellers every day, I can say that the prices and the market really start to getting up. In Toronto, Richmond Hill, Vaughan, somewhere in Newmarket and Aurora, we already have offer presentations that shows that despite of the high mortgage rates, the demand is still there and there is not so much supply. If you like our video, give us like and subscribe. It was Helena Gordon with Remarks Gordon Group Realty, and I'll see you soon.